Pilipinas, so narito na ang ating panibagong Pets Sumada Nationwide dated on March 5, 2025, araw ng mga kamay. Anyway, congratulations to all the winners of our Pets Sumada dated on March 4, 2025. Kaya kung bago pa lang sa channel ito, don't forget to like and to subscribe my channel para kayong updated. So anyway, here we know sa ating given number na 3-5. Nang ibig pong sabihin niyan ay gumagapang ang mga kamay ng mga ahas. And of course, here we know sa ating 2025, ang legendaring magnanakaw ng kaligayahan or sadyang nawawalan ng swerte. And here we know po our number 3 ay to sa number 1821. Nang ibig pong sabihin niyan ay dalaga at binata. So why I choose 1821 for number 3? Because of 18 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 21, and 21 is belong to number 3. And here we go for our number 5. I choose the number of 2030. Nang ibig pong sabihin yan ay naglalahong butas or sadyang may magnanakaw sa butas. So why I choose 2030? Because of 20 plus 30 equals to 50, and 50 is belongs to number 5. And for number 20, I choose the number of 1532. Nang ibig pong sabihin yan ay may parating na lasing or sadyang may parating na kagandahan. So why I choose 1532? Because 15 plus 3 plus 2 equals to number 20. And for 25, I choose number of 2311. Nang ibig pong sabihin yan ay mga mata sa iyong dinadaanan. So why I choose 2311? Because 23 plus 1 plus 1 equals to number 25. And here we now for the first lucky number for today, March 5, 2025, araw ng mga kamay. Of course, 18 plus 21 equals to 39, and 20 minus 30 equals to negative 10. Ang ibig pong sabihin ng first lucky number na 3910 ay isang balong tumataba. And here we now for our second lucky numbers, of course, 15 minus 32 equals to 17, and 23 plus 11 equals to 34. So our second lucky number for March 5, 2025, araw ng mga kamay is number 1734. Nang ibig pong sabihin naglalandian sa loob ng tahanan or naglalandian sa loob ng sasakyan. And here now for the strongest number for today, March 5, 2025, of course, 39 minus 10 equals to 29, and 17 minus 34 equals to 17. Ang ating 29 ay pwede siya maging 11, at ang ating namang 17 ay pwede siya maging number 8. So our strongest number for today is number 29, 11, 29, 8, 29, 17, 17, 8, 17, 11, maging ang 11, 8 or Fumpiang 8. And that it's for now. Don't forget to like and to subscribe my channel para get updated. Thank you for watching and subscribe. I love you all and God bless. Subscribe.